So what you're going to do is, when you do fire breathing, you take one hand, keep it on your belly, other hand over your mouth. I'm going to do it first, but, don't let your husbands know that you can do this, so just making sure. Okay, cool. So you're going to breathe in, and breathe out with your nose slow, and then you're going to go faster, so watch. And when you do that, anybody here take yoga and actually has done that before? Yoga class? Okay, cool. So fire breathing actually energizes your body. So let's try that. Ready? Take one hand, put it on your belly. One hand, cover your mouth. Breathe in with your nose. Breathe out with your nose. And eventually build it up so that this becomes automatic. Good. Oh, I forgot to tell you, blow your nose before you try this.